Welcome back to Chip's Picks, brought to you by Hemmings Motor Club. I'm Chip,
I'm Brock.
and we're gonna check out some cars.
Well, this is interesting. I've never seen one of these before.
Oh, this is cool.
Here we go. This was the car that was sacrificed for me.
All right, there we go. Of course, some major changes. I kind of smoothed all this.
So starting us off, we got something kind of interesting here. This 68 Coupe deVille featured in Justin Bieber's Peaches music video. Okay, let's look at the photo gallery here. Let's see what we're working with. Is it lifted in the front?
It's probably stock height in the front. They just dropped the back.
Oh.
That's called a tail dragger.
Yeah.
Yeah, when they're down in the back.
It's a boat.
It's a big boat.
Yeah, I mean, it looks pretty
But
good.
It's a two-door.
Yeah.
Is that a big crack in the dash?
Oh, yeah.
Looks like it was fixed, but it's still there.
Yeah. I like the 8-ball shifter. That's fun. Other than that, though, I mean... I think it's been reupholstered?
Nope. That's all stock interior.
Wow. Let's see. How many miles are on it? We're looking at 10,000? Also riding in the classic Cadillac. It appears mostly stock, but features a few custom touches, including a 4-corner air suspension system. So it's on bags.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I wondered if it might be Bluetooth audio. That's pretty cool. I don't know. I think that's a good one. It's got some cultural significance. Looks good. Says it has no known mechanical issues. Proceeds from its sale will benefit the Breast Cancer Foundation, no name necessary, which was created by the seller after the losses of his wife, Deborah Wakenin, and her friend, Shannon Doherty. This foundation was born from their shared dream of turning grief into purpose, and the sale of this unique vehicle will start that movement. Well, this is interesting. I've never seen one of these before.
Nash Ambassador.
A well-documented one-of-one 1951 Nash Ambassador air flight. 18,000 miles.
What do they have a price on it at?
20,000.
20,000.
Let's look at it. That's a interesting looking car.
Mm-hmm. It looks like a cartoon. All stock.
It does. Do you know where these came from?
Nash made them.
Right, but what? I'm unfamiliar,
Okay.
if I'm being honest.
Rambler.
American built or?
Yep.
Yeah. Why is the hood a different color? Were they all like that?
No, that's just the way they painted this one.
Okay. Let's look at the interior.
I do like that steering wheel off the steering column.
Yeah. But why is it a one of a kind?
That might just be the way it's painted.
Oh. Where's this at?
Connecticut.
Connecticut, okay. Absurdly cool or just downright mad. This is our 1951 Nash Ambassador Air Flight. Only made for 2 years, converted to be a daily driver for me personally. Very nice ride. Everything works. I bought it in New Milford, Connecticut, and I've thoroughly enjoyed bringing it back to the road and making it a daily driver. Entirely rust-free and does have all original sheet metal, no Bondo, no rot, super clean body and floors like new.
I'm not a huge fan of the
Styling.
the way that the paint is broken up.
Yeah.
I would have kept it just above the fender line, so it would have dropped down and picked up that and come around and go all the way around underneath instead of that real squared off.
Yeah, you gotta get...
Just that trunk being the brake, it just looks... It looks like you found a deck lid and bolted it on. It's the wrong color.
Yeah.
And then the hood's the same way.
Yeah.
If you can do a two-tone, give it a real pretty nice line.
Yeah, you have a good point because it's got this natural line here with the trim. It would have looked a lot nicer.
What else do we have to look at?
Well,
Oh, this is cool.
Here we go. 1936 Chevrolet Master Deluxe Coupe. Very cool. Wow. Paint's beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Let's look at the interior. I mean, it looks brand new.
It's a pretty car.
So the Grandmaster is a
It's
35, 36?
Master sedan, yeah. 35, which is basically the same body style.
Okay.
But it doesn't have this big trunk here.
Right. That's what I was thinking, because the
So if
Grandmaster,
this came down and just had
yeah,
a
it like
bulge.
stops right there. Yeah. Crazy lines on this car.
And then this one doesn't have the suicide doors.
Well, I figured it's all stock, but
Yeah.
30 grand is what they're asking for this. Beautiful.
You couldn't restore it for that. That's a great price.
Yeah. Well, that's not too bad. 54,000. Okay.
That's a pretty car.
Yeah. Yeah. This is really nice.
I'd say I'd draw that, but you've already seen what I would do because
That's
we did
true.
the Grandmaster
Yeah.
for West Rydell.
That was,
And
what
Bob
year was
Rydell.
that? 04?
When it won in 2002.
Oh,
It
okay.
won the Riddler.
Oh.
850.
Well, boy, have I heard about this car a lot. This was the car that was sacrificed for me.
Well, I had
Apparently.
one, and then when you were born, Mom wanted a back seat so we could put the baby seat in it. So I got rid of it.
It's a damn shame.
But these are pretty cars.
Yeah.
And
It's
fun
gorgeous.
to drive. Is that a 50 or a 40?
Let's see.
850 or
850.
Yeah. So that's a V12.
Wow. Wow. This is so cool. I like the grill.
What are they asking for it?
They want 119,995.
It's a CSI. with a 6-speed.
120 grand. Wow. I gotta see all the pictures of this. Taillights are so big.
Yep.
51-1. It's in Purchase, New York. That's a trip.
The headlights stay down.
Yeah. You think those are the stock wheels?
I believe those may have come on
BBSs?
the CSI. Yeah, possibly.
What are you thinking about drawing?
None of those.
None of those. Beautiful, original style Cadillac Cruiser with 350 Vortec, V8 overdrive, AC and disc brakes. They want $39,500 for this.
1940?
It's beautifully preserved classic Cadillac blends timeless originality with tasteful modern drivability upgrades, making it an exceptional cruiser that's equally comfortable at local shows, weddings, or highway touring. Finished in its original paint and retaining its elegant factory appearance, this Cadillac stands out with its remarkably clean presentation, excellent chrome, and largely original interior while visually appearing mostly stock. Wow.
It looks like such a long front end. And
I love the grille though.
well, if I was going to draw any of these, it'd be this one.
Yeah.
But I'd make some serious changes.
Yeah? Like what?
Here, let's see what else. Okay, I'll do a sketch of this one. I'll show you what I would do.
So while Dad's wrapping that up, I'm going to remind you guys to join Hemmings Motor Club. It comes with a ton of benefits, including roadside assistance, which I think is super cool. And if you're a frequent seller on Hemmings, no more listing fees, save you a lot of money, especially if you're a high volume seller. You also get early access to listings. So if something hot comes on the market with a lot of attention, you'll get that first look and first offer. So I'm also going to let you guys know that a lot of you may think you're subscribed when you're not, actually. If you look down below the video, you'll see the subscribe button down there. Just click on that, you will be subscribed. And if you hit the notification bell, you will get updates and notifications on whenever we upload.
there we go.
Wow.
That's that Cadillac. Of course, some major changes. I kind of smoothed all this out.
You made it a
longer
fastback.
fender, and I kind of used a 49 Cadillac taillight. And then
I was
made it a
wondering what
fastback.
you pulled this from, because this rear fender's totally different. I love what you did with it.
And then moved the front wheel forward just a little bit to lighten up that fender. And then
okay.
added the second molding and put a louver underneath so it would breathe.
Okay.
And then, of course, all the moldings would be like a hard top.
I like the new trim. Is this one big trim piece here too, going
Yes.
across? Yeah,
Yep.
okay.
So.
Yeah, you got rid of those 3 little grills here.
Very cool.
All right, well, I know we probably have some purists out there, so let us know which changes you guys like, which ones you don't like. Let us know what kind of cars you want to see on here next time. We'll probably have to do some polls again on Instagram soon to get the people in.
Cool. Go to Hemmings.com. If you want to build it, you'll find it there.